How many Kali Yugas come? Thousands of Kali Yugas come. Just say there's 14 Manus in a day of Brahma and there's 14 Manus in the night. So Lord Chaitanya comes once in the day of Lord Brahma. So that means once every 1,000 Kali Yugas. If you take that phrase to mean half hour, half a day, a 12-hour day. Or if you take that term that Lord Chaitanya comes once in a day of Brahma to mean a 24-hour day, then Lord Chaitanya comes once in every 2,000 Kali Yugas. Understand? That means very, very rare. So in those other 1,999 Kali Yugas, or if you want to take it from the other point of 1,000 Yuga cycles, in those other 999 Kali Yugas, who comes to distribute the holy name? Not Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Not this combined avatar of Radha and Krishna, one of his amshas. But he says, Ama vina anye nare braja prema dite. Braja prema dite, only without me, ami vina, without me, braja prema cannot be given. Madhurya prem, Sakya prem, Vatsalya prem, this wonderful sweet love of the Brijvasis for Krishna, this braja prem cannot be given without me personally coming and giving it. Namo Mahavananyaya Krishna prema pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gora Chusei Namaha.